Hey guys, what's going on? Today we want to refinish the front door. I have to go to the store and pick up some poly to do the front. So we're gonna have to sand it down and re-poly the whole front door. It's kind of starting to fade. But first, let's go make some coffee. All right guys, we're back at the house. We decided to go with this stain to refinish the door. And we also picked up some oil-based satin clear. We got some paint thinner to clean the polyurethane because it's oil. And a new paintbrush for oil. I don't think you have to use an oil paintbrush, but we needed a new one anyway, so might as well pick this up. So let me take the door out, unscrew it all, tape the door, and I'll see you back outside. All right guys, it's all taped up. Now let's go outside and sand the door. All right guys, the Doors all sanded down. Try to get the edges as much as I could. But... all right, let me set you down. I'm gonna clean up the table, tape the glass, and stain it. All right, guys, door's all done. Ended up doing 3 coats of poly. Let me know what you guys think.